This has been requested many times over the years, and finally I'm super excited to tell you about a course that I've been working on quietly in the background. So you're probably used to my step-by-step tutorials that usually come in at less than an hour, but in this upcoming course I'm able to really dig deeper than usual and break the lessons down into not only the landscape fundamentals but also finer detail, as well as more depth with tree shapes, textures, colour theory and lots more. So you can be one of the first people to get notified when it's released. There is a link in the video description here. Click that link, join the waiting list, secure your spot and get an exclusive discount when registrations open. I can't wait to tell you more about it, very excited, more coming soon.